everyone, my name is Jethro and I believe that you can draw. And if you can draw, you can do anything. If you'd like to learn how to draw, come with me. Expect adventures, workshops, stories, and even more. If you'd like to support what I do, then please consider supporting me on Patreon, where you can get access to my Procreate brushes, templates, and lots of other treats. But you don't need any of those things. You are creative. Creativity is in you, not in the tools that you use. You are creative, and I believe in you. My name is Jethro, and I believe that you can draw.